So today we are going to be reviewing the Gear S2 Classic in 2018. So that has been around for a while and has since then been surpassed by its circular brother, the Gear S3. While the Gear S2 Classic seems to be outdated, but it still retains those great qualities that it did when it was launched. But now in 2018, the Gear S2 Classic is snappier than ever. That's great, but when compared to the $350 price tag in the Gear S3. More than 2 years later, the S2 Classic is fortunate enough to have modernized circular design with the satisfying spinning bezel that you love. Its Gorilla Glass 3 display is held up pretty well and its Super AMOLED aspect is quite the feature. These things get pretty bright. In direct sunlight, your watch face is definitely visible. Although it would be brighter indoors, however, if you happen to be in a dark place like a movie theater, you might want to be down because it could be distracting for you and others. But yeah, this watch has no problems in direct sunlight, and thankfully neither sun nor rain can stop this watch. The Gear S2 Classic is rocking in IP68 certification, allowing it to be dust and water resistant. It can be submerged up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The Gear S2 Classic helps you track your fitness on the go pack. Inside is an accelerometer, gyro sensor, heart rate sensor, and a barometer. The Gear S2 Classic still allows you to Samsung Pay via NFC, which is good. When it comes to battery life, it's my personal experience. Gear S2 Classic lasts about 2.5 days with the Bluetooth to turn on and connect, and lasts about a week with Bluetooth off, and that's more of you want to use it as a regular watch, less as a smartwatch. The gear has to hold its own with its ability to be customized and has tons of watch faces to choose from right out of the box. The bands are easy to swap out and replace, although you might have to look on Amazon or Flipkart for more affordable options. I would prefer you the space grayish band that it came with. I feel like it matches nicely, but now let's talk about same of the pair. For one, the Gear S2 Classic is limited by its 1.2-inch display, something the Gear S2 makes up for its slightly larger 1.3-inch display. It doesn't seem like a big difference, but that little bit of extra space makes it easier to navigate. Another thing is that the Bluetooth Sport variant does have a microphone but lacks a speaker for audio playback, another thing the S3 makes up for. With that being said, the Gear S2 Classic is still a good buy. I would recommend that you pick it up at between $150 to $200. I will give the link in description. So make sure you check it out because it's still worth to buy, better than the Gear S3, although it has many features that S2S doesn't. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing content, and I'll catch you guys later in the next one. Peace.